Well, I'm at Moon Night 2025, and earlier on this evening we had a wonderful ballet performance by Erica Horwood, who's with me, a former S283 student, that's a planetary science student at the Open University. So, Erica, what was it about studying with the Open University that encouraged you to come and die on the stage for us here tonight? Because you did the Dying Swan ballet movement for us.
I met Dr. Mahesh Anand at my graduation ceremony in Poole last May. So he invited me to come and perform tonight at Moon Night, which is a real honor to be here because the moon and space science is a real passion of mine, outside of dance and outside of ballet. So it's nice to be here tonight and connect both of my huge passions in life.
And we saw a film of you dancing with your partner to a piece that was inspired by the moon. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
There's a piece that my partner and I dance called Penumbra by choreographer Remy Wortmeyer. And this piece is about a fleeting relationship between two people, two bodies, in space, in a way that also, in its name, Penumbra, mimics the fleeting shadow on the moon in an eclipse. And the piece is something really magical, and I think it's cool that it shows between two bodies a relationship in the same way in certain moments as the Earth and the moon, how we always see the same side, the near side of the moon. And while the Earth is turning around on its axis and the moon is also turning around, they can do a full 360 degree rotation, but still be looking at the same side as one another. And it's something that in dance we do quite often, where our partner holds our arm or our body and we face each other in the same relationship, but travel around on ourselves.
How about turning your mind to Mercury going around the sun? Mercury rotates 3 times for every 2 orbits around the sun, which makes its day twice as long as its year.
Wow.
I often get people up on stage with me to demonstrate it. I don't do it very balletically. People going round.
You definitely could try and show it balletically if you wanted to. I'm sure that there are moments in ballets where serendipitously we have created something like that, not knowing.
Okay. So what's next for you, Erica?
Short term, I'm heading back to Amsterdam to perform in the Nutcracker in Dutch National Ballet, where I work, in our performances this month. A little bit more long term, I'm starting my master's in space science and technology with the OU in the new year, and I'm excited for that.
Best of luck with that. Is that going to take you 2 years, 3 years? What's your study pace?
Working full time, I have a slower study pace, but it's quite thrilling. I think it will probably take me 2.5 or 3 years.
Well, best of luck with that. And thank you so much for coming on to see us here tonight.
Thank you.